Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm going to be putting on these beautiful, I can't pronounce it correctly, Schizanthus Dwarf Bouquet Mixed. These are Thompson & Morgan. Just get you, this is 140 seeds. Dwarf Mixed. I'll just get the, see if I can get a little bit better. It says there, sow in pots or trays of moist compost and cover with a very fine sprinkling of vermiculite. Keep at temperatures between 20 and 25 Celsius, 68 to 77 Fahrenheit. After sowing, do not exclude light. Just helps germination. Keep the surface of the compost moist but not waterlogged. Germination will usually take 14 to 21 days, although check regularly as seedlings occasionally germinate earlier. When large enough to handle, transplant seedlings into 7.5 cm 3-inch pots or trays. Gradually acclimatise to cooler conditions before planting out after all risks of frost. 30 cm 12 inch support prefers a sheltered, sunny site and a moist, well-drained soil. Can also be sown August to September for early summer flowering next year. Overwinter plants in cool, light, frost-free conditions before planting out the following spring, or grow on as a greenhouse pot plants. So after that, we shall get these pricked out and potted on. I think I might be using some toilet roll tubes because I've got some petunias left to do, so I think I'll use some of these into toilet roll tubes, so I'll just get those ready. Won't be a second. So yeah, I've got my toilet roll tubes ready now. All you need to do with these is some compost. These are a bit damp, these toilet roll tubes, because they've been on the floor in the greenhouse. But yeah, you can, this is off a brush that rotted, so nice round piece of dowel or a hammer shaft, anything like that. Couple inch in the bottom, and then give it a really good tap down, and you end up with a nice plug at the bottom like that. Then all you'd have to do then is then top it up like so, fill it to the top, give it a little press down, not too firm because you want to be able to plant some plants in there. That'll circle nicely. I'll just do a couple more. Like I said, a couple inches of compost into the bottom. Here's my compost at the side. So you've got a flat bottom of your piece of wood, your dowel. Then give it a really good tap down, and then just top it up like so. Takes a little bit of time, but I save these all year, my toilet roll tubes, to get my neighbours to save them for me as well, because they always come in handy. Because in a tray like this, probably fit in 40, between 35 and 45 in here, so you get plenty, well, probably between 30 and 40, so you get plenty of space in a normal tray. It's really good, really enjoy doing it. Plus you're using something organic that is going to biodegrade into the garden, not cause any toxins or anything. It's not going to be bad for your garden, and you can transplant them and plant them exactly where you want them then. So that's that one done. I'll just do a few more and then I'll get back to you. Right, just got, whoops, there's it falling over, excuse me, get that in there. Got another 3 or 4 to do. Just these are ones from the kitchen roll, towels at the kitchen, obviously. Just cut in half and just top it with compost. Jam it in there. These 3 should be alright, these last 3. Hope everybody's keeping alright with what's going on in the world at the moment. It's terrible what's happening over there. That's why I come in here, take my mind off things, relax and get some seeds sown. These Schizanthus, cannot wait, dwarf mix. These flowers on these are absolutely divine. Just get a bit more compost, nearly done. Last couple. Yeah, I'll show you these once I get them potted on. More to do. Should be okay then. You want enough when you're doing this in your seed trays. I'm using a peat-free compost at the moment, which is pretty good. It's Westland Growmore, I think it's called. I can't quite see the name tag on it, sorry folks. I got it from Wilco though. But yeah, just get another 2 I think. Right, this is the last one, just in there like so. and that just stops moving about as much. Then I'll probably get another one in that corner actually, so that a bit later. So yeah, I'll just push that out of the way. So that's these done. What we need to do then is, right, I think I've got this set up nicely now. All we need to do now is just get these out of the way there, and then we have our plants here. Let's get them out of the way. We have our Schizanthus. This is dwarf bouquet mixed. That's the name tag. So I'll stick that in there. What we need to do then is get us pen. Get us pen here. And just underneath. And get as much soil as you can out with them. Like so. You can see nice root system here. Let's get this around here. Hi monkey. Hi Paul. All we need to do then is gently divide them. That one's grown into a big piece of bark. There's two here as well. So all we need to do then make a hole with a pen or finger, gently in like so, and then a little bit of compost around there. You don't want to damage, you want to try your best not to damage the roots because you're quite delicate on here. Around like so, and a bit more around there, and that's the first one in. And the next one is the one here, so put that one next to it, and like so. A little bit of compost around there. I shall give these a feed. I'll water them first and give them liquid feed, some tomato feed then, once they're all planted. So I shall get back to that in a second. Right, you've got the last two now. So I'll put these in here, one there, this one, and the next one. So get them by the leaves if you can, like so. You only need to do a little bit of compost around it, just to hold it steady, keep it in the middle. Same with this one. And all you need to do then is once they're all transplanted like so, all I'll do then is give them a little bit of water. I'm not going to give them too much because I'm going to water these. Give them just enough so they don't dry out. But I'm going to water these and feed them when I've got all my petunias in place. So that is basically how to transplant and put on your Schizanthus dwarf mixed bouquet mix. These are from Thompson & Morgan, and I cannot wait to get these to flower this year. So yeah, if you've got any questions to ask folks, if you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.